order some slime. Hello, can I please have slime? 3 stacks of slime.
Sure, it's $5. Miss, is that a yes or a no? Miss.
Special delivery slime? Alright, $5. Alright, thank you. Alright. 1, 2, 3. No, I need 5. That's not enough money.
Hi guys, we're gonna be making slime. Well, I made it already. I'm gonna be rating it and playing with it. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. I'm gonna be picking this. Hi guys. Actually, Ava's going to be picking because all these slimes are really good. Because these two I made, this one was just to feel it what it feels like.
Yes.
So, okay, go ahead.
Yeah, okay. Anyways, let's go.
I'm gonna pick this one. This one. Let's go ahead. Daniel, what over here, Jamie? So, this is the first one.
I'm gonna feel it too.
I'm gonna feel it. You already guys felt it. I'm gonna feel it.
I'm gonna feel it.
You can feel it
again.
later. No,
Okay,
later.
that feels good.
Later.
I'll go to 10.
I don't remember what it feels like yet. Later.
Okay.
Later.
Okay. Let's. What do you give it?
I'm not getting done playing with it.
Okay.
So
Also, guys,
what's your favorite slime? Cloud slime, butter slime, fluffy slime, or
glow in the dark.
glow in the dark, because or metallic.
Okay.
Yeah. Push it in. This is just an intro for one of the scenes we're gonna do.
Yes.
Okay. So no. I rate this 20 out of 10. Cause now I pick. No, not yet.
Now do the blue one.
This pink one is $5.
Yes. You might see this.
And you might even get to buy it.
Yes.
$5. Which one do you want to do next?
Now I pick.
Okay. Now it's the glow in the dark one, and make sure later, Jaden, get your butt over here, and make sure later
Yeah, they know.
No, not common. And
Like?
later watch the video.
Yeah.
I found this gold thing. Yeah, that's a part of my slime.
Okay. Well, anyways, because it's the daytime, so see the light switch it is off, but it is not
Okay,
down,
so this is a 4 out of 10.
that is bad.
That is a 4 out of 10.
Now we have this blue.
But first we have
what's
to
this
put
one
it
called
for
again?
fluffy slime. But first we have to price it. If we were going to price it, it would actually be $20 because it's glow in the dark.
I don't know.
Next, it says fluffy.
We have like
There
3 quarters. I'm sorry. Okay, Ava is leaving. Probably gonna go to bed. She looks very tired.
This one is very sticky.
Wait, let me feel.
It feels sticky.
Oh, that is sticky. Wait, oh.
This
I
one
don't
might
like
be
it.
a 1 out of 10.
I don't like it. It says, this is so sticky and hard. So what are you giving?
3 out of 10.
Okay.
It's just terrible.
Anyways, like,
But
subscribe.
this is why it's only 3/4. 3/4
Yep.
equals $1.
Anyways,
No, 4.
yeah. You forgot your math. Okay. Anyways, guys, like and subscribe.
Wait. 25.
Yeah, 50,
D.
75. Okay, let's unpause the mystery.
Jaden and Ava were here.
You don't notice when he comes.
Zoe!
Have
Zoe!
He judges.
Zoe!
Hey, Zoe! Zoe! I don't see her. I see feet.
Jaden! Hi!
Hi.
Hi. I'm really thirsty. Whoa, where did this come from? There's more? Whoa. Whoa. Jaden!
Yeah?
I found Prime!
Well, are you thirsty? Drink it.
Yeah. Okay. Jaden, I also found Puff Rocks, cotton candy.
Okay. Try it.
Can I try?
What's this right here? Is the law need for? What? I don't know what that means. I think there's more to this. Let's go find more.